uneven strength or poor posture? Let's fix those muscle imbalances with powerful symmetry and balance training techniques. Train smarter, move better, build lasting symmetry, only with GymProLife. Hello you lovely lot. Do you ever feel like one side of your body is doing all the hard graft? Maybe when you're lifting a dumbbell, your left arm feels strong as an ox, but your right arm is shaking like a leaf. Or perhaps you notice in the mirror that one shoulder sits a bit higher than the other. These little quirks aren't just random, they're signs of muscle imbalances, and they're super common. They can sneakily hold you back, making progress feel slow and frustrating. Even worse, they can lead to annoying aches, pains and injuries. But listen up, I've got some brilliant news for you. You don't have to put up with it. You have the power to fix these imbalances, and it's not as complicated as you might think. This isn't about doing crazy exercises, it's about being smart with your training, listening to your body, and giving weaker areas a bit of extra TLC. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you to get moving better, feeling stronger, and looking more balanced and symmetrical. We'll break it down, find your imbalances, activate them, build strength and stability, big muscles and the smaller supporting ones. Think of it as building from the inside out, creating that mind-muscle connection so you're in control of every movement. By the end, you'll have a toolkit for a body that's not just strong, but symmetrically strong, moving with grace, power, and confidence. Right then, let's get straight into it. What on earth is a muscle imbalance? Put simply, it's when muscles on one side of a joint are stronger or tighter than the muscles on the other side. Think of your body like a finely tuned machine. If one part pulls too hard and another not enough, the whole system gets thrown out of whack. It can happen left to right, like a stronger right bicep, or front to back, tight chest and weak upper back from sitting all day, real tug of war inside your body. These imbalances build slowly from habits, same shoulder bags, crossing the same leg, even sleeping on one side. In the gym, your dominant side takes over, the weaker side never catches up, a vicious cycle. Why care? A balanced body is stronger and more efficient. You generate more force, lift heavier and perform better. Your body looks and feels better. Alignment boosts confidence. More importantly, fixing imbalances helps prevent injuries. Overworked muscles strain, weak ones fail to stabilize, leading to pulls, sprains, and chronic pain. Joints are designed to move a certain way. Misalignment causes uneven wear, like driving on misaligned wheels. Addressing imbalances protects your joints so you stay active, mobile, and pain-free. Okay team, it's time to put on your detective hat. We can't fix a problem if we don't know what it is. We'll use a few simple tests you can do right now at home. First, single leg squat progression. Stand on one leg and lower slowly. Watch your knee. Does it track over your foot or cave inward? Look at your hips. Do they stay level or drop? Try both legs and compare. Make a note of the wobblier side. Clue number 1. Next, single arm overhead press for 8 to 10 smooth reps. Which side feels stronger or shakier? Did you lean to get it up? Then try a single arm row. Compare left to right and note any differences. Finally, plank with a leg lift. Brace, lift a few inches, hold 5 seconds. Did your hips want to rotate? One side harder? Film yourself and watch it back for an honest view. Write down what you find, your treasure map to a balanced body. Brilliant work, detective. Now it's time to wake up those sleepy areas. Activation time. Think of activation like turning on the lights before you walk the room. These drills are low intensity, high focus to improve mind-muscle connection. Feel the target muscle working. Start with glutes, single leg glute bridge, drive through the heel, squeeze hard at the top, control down, 10-15 reps on the weaker side first. Feel it in your bum, not your lower back or hamstrings. Upper back, band, pull, aparts. Crack a walnut between your shoulder blades, shoulders down. 3 sets of 15-20. Scapular push-ups, arms straight, move only the shoulder blades. 2 sets of 10-12 to teach control around the shoulder girdle. Activation is quality over quantity. Slow it down, focus, and feel the magic. Do these before main workouts as part of a proper warm-up. Wake them up, then keep them on during your big lifts. Muscles are awake, now we get them strong. Enter unilateral training, one limb at a time, single arm presses, single leg squats, single arm rows. With barbells, the stronger side can compensate. You finish the lift but reinforce imbalance. Unilateral work stops that. Golden rule, always start with your weaker side. For lower body, Bulgarian split squat is king. Let the weaker side set the reps, then match on the stronger side. Upper body, single arm dumbbell bench press. Your core works harder to stop you twisting. Don't shorten the range on the weak side. If you must, the weight's too heavy, drop it and perfect the form. The goal is control, stability, and full engagement. Do these 2-3 times a week to fix imbalances and build functional strength. Strength is one thing, but stability is the secret sauce that holds it all together. Stability is your ability to control movement and maintain position. Deep core, joint stabilizers, and your nervous system working as a team. Without it, your strength sits on a shaky foundation, and injury risk climbs. Do single leg balance with a reach. Keep hips square and back flat. Squeeze the glute to stand. It challenges ankle, knee, and hip together. Add the suitcase carry. Resist the side pull by engaging the opposite obliques. Train your body to resist lateral flexion to protect your spine. Finish with the Pallof press, the ultimate anti-rotation drill. Teach your core its most important job. Prevent unwanted movement. Add these and you'll build not just strength but resilience. All the strength and stability work in the world won't stick if your daily posture works against you. Poor posture shortens the chest and front shoulder while lengthening and weakening your upper back. You're training your body into imbalance. Right now, check in, shoulder blades back and down, lift your chest, and tuck the chin slightly to lengthen the neck. Set hourly reminders. Stand up, reset posture, have a little stretch. Small, consistent adjustments compound. Mobility is active control through full range and style, different from passive flexibility. Better positions, better lifts. For hips, the 90-90. Sit with both legs at right angles, lean forward, then rotate. Breathe into the stretch. For your stiff upper mid-back, thoracic rotations, 10 to 12 reps each side. Do mobility in your warm-up and post-workout. Just 5-10 minutes a day unlocks freedom of movement, making every exercise feel better and more effective. We've covered so much, and you've done amazingly well. We identified your imbalances, woke sleepy muscles, used unilateral training, built stability, upgraded posture, and unlocked mobility. Don't get overwhelmed. Consistency beats complexity. Just pick one thing. Weak glutes, 2 sets of single leg bridges before every workout this week. Unstable shoulders, 3 sets of band pull-aparts in your warm-up. Start small, build the habit, then add the next piece. Your body adapts to more power, less pain, and a physique that feels as good as it looks. You're in the driver's seat. Listen to your body, be patient, and celebrate small wins. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Comment below, legs, shoulders, or core. What needs more balance? Let's support each other and get stronger together. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you correct imbalances, hit like, subscribe, and share it. Comment below. What area of your body needs more balance?